is accused of secretly recording women in a gas station bathroom.
Someone has been putting up hidden cameras in the women's bathroom that look like coat or purse hooks.
Caught on camera on his own hidden camera, Ocala police say this man was trying to secretly record women inside a gas station restroom.
This is a hidden camera disguised as a coat rack. If you ever see this in a public bathroom, someone is watching you. Here's what happens. Do not fall for this trap. Do not fall for this trap. If you are ever in a public bathroom, be very careful. I'm about to show y'all something. Everything looks ordinary, right? Y'all see that? This is supposed to be some type of coat rack. Look at this, y'all. This is not a coat rack. As you guys can see, this thing has a camera lens inside of that small hole right there. And look on the back. It has a USB cord on the back. A lot of times these things are screwed onto the wall somehow. Y'all be safe, bro. This is not a joke.
A total of 3 hooks with cameras in 3 different locations have been found so far in the Upper Keys. Investigators then found another hidden camera at this Circle K store at the 99-mile marker.
It's a crime that can be hard to detect as cameras become smaller and more discreet.
And it has Wi-Fi. You can watch it on your smartphone from anywhere in the world.
We went to Surveillance Plus in Winter Garden to see the different kinds of hidden cameras. Take a look at this one, smaller than a fingernail. And then these are hidden in everyday objects like USB chargers and smoke detectors.
And get familiar with what they all look like. They all have common shapes.
If you ever find yourself or a family member injured in a dangerous situation, Morgan & Morgan might be your answer. Morgan & Morgan is America's largest injury law firm with over 800 attorneys operating in 49 states. Morgan & Morgan is not a traditional law firm. They are a consumer-facing brand with a promise of being for the people. Hey man, on this channel, I will simply be exposing some of the most dangerous traps all over the country. I will be giving you guys a first-person perspective on each and every one of these situations. Everybody stay tuned, like and subscribe. It's gonna be a crazy journey. Thank y'all for 500K. I'm out, bro. Peace. Y'all be safe.